everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. In this video we're going to have a look at the progress of the third Diogo Jota mural, currently being painted by Paul Curtis. It looks absolutely fantastic, including Andre Silva, his brother, as well. So let's go now, check it out. I'm going to run the intro. Let's see how it's looking. And welcome back everyone. Just turn the camera around to see where we're up to. Great detail. I just love all the Portugal colours on the house wall. That just looks absolutely sublime. Sublime. Just gives it that stunning effect. Paul's currently putting the yellow outline on the 20 number there. Just in the space of 2 days, absolutely stunning progress.
Oh, you went yellows there, lads. You went yellows. I'll take it.
So I was looking from this angle, and I think Paul's just prepping the yellow to put on the 0 part of the 20. As the number 2 is pretty much finished with the yellow colouring. But he's gone into great detail, he's using the tape measure and everything. It's absolutely going to be 100% perfect. But as you can see from the wall, it's looking absolute bliss. Every single measurement, every single detail, it all matters on this Diogo Jota and Andre Silva tribute here on Lyon Road. As you can see, every single detail matters. The measuring tape. This guy is a work of art. That's why it says on his back, Paul Curtis artwork. Hopefully soon we'll start covering murals and finishing off the other Forever 20 mural that was actually started first. It will be the last to finish as we await the top section.
See what it's on now.
Yeah, Cardiff, this is my first Cardiff.
Oh, cheers.
Putting out 2,500 views.
Yeah, look at this, guys. This is what I done yesterday.
I'll wrap this video up all in a minute. It's coming along really beautifully by Paul Curtis. This be the face to go tomorrow of Diogo Jota. So I've just come back later in the day, and as you can see behind me, a lot of the Diogo Jota's face has already been done as well. I mean, what time is it? 7 o'clock at night. The detail on that, eh? And that's how the 20 is looking that I showed you earlier in the video. Even the name Diogo Jota at the top, he's added all that detail there too. I'm going to get a few shots now by drone. The reason why I didn't earlier, because that was school hours. You don't really fly drones by schools. That's not really, that's a really no-no. So at 7 o'clock at night, I will fly a drone. So without further ado, let's get the drone up. So that wraps up that update. It was good to get the drone up. I had to wait till late in the day, out of school hours. So you can't fly drones like I said earlier. Getting a different perspective, very nearly complete. A little bit more detail on Diogo Jota's hair, and a little bit more touch up here or there, but it's a world-class mural. Absolutely bob on, special in every detail. I've seen it by the air as well, absolutely brilliant. So we'll wrap this one up. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Paul Curtis, very nearly there, done an amazing job.
So again, don't pay attention to the fact that she's facing this.
Catch you for the next one. Bye for now.